Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. You're buying a house. How do you know what inspections to get and what not to get? First inspection always is your home inspection. They're going to check all the basics, the plumbing, the heating, the cooling, pool, roof. If during that home inspection it's found that, hey, maybe the sinks consistently or the drains are consistently not draining throughout the house, that might tell you, hey, I should probably talk to a plumber, stick a camera down that main sewer line and take a look at what's going on. Or, hey, there's evidence of a couple old leaks in the roof. Now I should get a roof inspection. Or the air conditioning isn't cooling the way it should. Now I need to get someone to come look at the air conditioner. But that home inspection is really going to tell you what else you need in the process. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Hope to hear from you soon.